Hi, this is Andrew from Flowium, and in today's video I would like to show you how to test your emails in Klaviyo if they are clipped or not. So if you didn't see my video about clipped emails and why it's important not to have clipped emails, please check it out on my YouTube channel. Okay, so first of all, let's go to Klaviyo account. So we went to Klaviyo account. Let's look for your profile, Andre. Let's look for Andre at flowium.com. Okay, so this is my profile. Now you go to messages. By the way, if you send as a preview, like the test option in Klaviyo, when you send an email like as a preview to yourself, to your email, it does not check if message is clipped or not. You actually have to send it actual email. So that's why we'll do the actual email right now. So we find that my email, which is my personal email, like in your case it would be your email, then click send email. Now we have an email, and now we need to compose a new email with that template that you plan to use. So now you select the template, click select the template, go to my templates now, and then pick your template that you're planning to use for the campaign. Click save content, and now click on schedule and send, and then send this email immediately, and this email will be sent only to one person, which is me in this case. Okay, so now let's go to my inbox and check for that email and if it's clipped or not. Okay, as you can see at the bottom, it's not clipped, so it means it's passed the test and you are safe to send this email out to your customers. In other case, if it's clipped, I highly recommend to check that video. It's short, but you will understand the importance of clipped and not clipped emails. In case you have any additional questions, please leave them under this video.